Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can download and install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11 operating system. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, we will know about the prerequisites of IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11 operating system. Open your favorite browser. So here you can write down the prerequisites of IntelliJ IDEA. Here you can see the Google links here. This you have to open. Click here, and here you can see the system requirements of IntelliJ installation. And here you can see that it shows that you don't need to install Java to run IntelliJ IDEA because JetBrains runtime is bundled with this IDE. However, to develop Java application as standalone, JDK is required. So we need to install JDK before we install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11 operating system. So let us start and download Java JDK. Here you can search Java JDK download. Now click here. Here you can see the different platforms: Linux, Macintosh and Windows. Here we are installing it on Windows, so we should choose Windows. And here you can choose the file, that is bin.exe. Click here and it will take some time to download the file. Here we can see the download has been completed. Click here. Now here you can see the installation window has been started. Click here next. Now this is a destination folder where it can be installed. Click here next. Now you can see the installation has been completed. Click here close. Now we can see the folder where it has been installed. Here you can see the C partition. Here you can see the program files, and here you can see Java JDK, and this is a bin folder where it has been installed all the files. Now you have to copy this path here and put that path in the environment variable. Here we can write down environment variable. Click here and click here environment variable, and here you can edit, and here you can click the path first. Here you can see the path and click edit, and here you can click on new and paste the path which we have copied recently. Paste it here and click OK and click OK and click OK. And the second thing, you have to again copy the path, but not this path bin, after this path. Now click this and go to environment variable again. Here it's there, and go to the environment variable, and here you can click new, and here you have to write down the Java home in capital letters, Java underscore home, and here you have to copy the path. You have to paste that path and click OK and click OK and click OK. Now we can check whether it's working correctly or not, it has been installed or not. We can go to the command prompt. Here you can write down the command Java hyphen and version. Click enter. Now it will show us the which version we have installed. Right now we have installed Java 20, and these are the other details. Now we have successfully installed Java JDK on Windows 11 operating system, and now we are going to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11 operating system. So let us start again. First of all, we have to go to the, here in Google we can write down the IntelliJ IDEA download, and here you can see the links. We can choose this one, open it, and here you can see the two editions, Ultimate Edition and the Community Edition. This one is a free version and this one you have to pay, so we should go for this one. It's you can also use this. It's a 30-day free 30-day trial available. It's free for 30 days and it's for open source, and we can download this. Click here. Now it will take some time to download. Now you can see the download has been completed. Now you can click here. Here you can see the installation has been started. Now you can click here next. Here you can see the destination folder where it can be installed. Now click let it be as default and click next. Now here you have to check this box, add bin folder to the path. You don't have to manually then copy the path. It will automatically update the variable path. And here you can also use this add open folder as project and click here next and click install. Now you can see the installation has been completed, and you can either reboot now or you can reboot it later. Click here. I want to manually reboot later, and now you can click finish. Here we can see whether it has been installed. Here you can see the application where it has been installed or not. Here you can see the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition 2023.1 has been installed successfully. Now we can restart it manually by clicking here restart now. Now we have restarted the computer, and now we can click IntelliJ Community Edition. Click here, don't send. Now you can see here the first window of IntelliJ IDEA. Now we can click here new project. Now it's detecting JDK which we have recently installed. Now you can name your project. Click here my first project. As you can see we have named it first project, and click here as Java, and the build system is, as you know, it's IntelliJ IDEA, and it automatically detected the Java JDK, that's version 20, and we can create here, and it will create the interface of the first project where we can write the code. Now this is the first interface window where you can interact with IntelliJ IDEA. Now we can a little expand this first project. Click here, and here you can see all the folders and files of my first project, and you can click here source, and here is the main programming where you can write. Double click on it. Now you can see here the sample programming is already written here. You just have to click the run button. You can just right click here and click here run main. Now you can see it's building. Now you can see that the run command has been executed, and that output of this program is here. This is how you can download and install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11 operating system. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thanks for watching.